Hi guys, we have here 2010 Nissan Qasqhai. The problem of this Qasqhai is the turbo. Turbo is fuck. So this is the turbo. He has here a second hand turbo. Okay. So the symptoms of when the turbo is gone, like when the turbo is going bad, it has a smoke, white smoke mixed with blue. White smoke mixed with blue smoke, and you're thinking that the piston ring is gone, but it's not. System is good. The only thing is the turbo is fuck. Turbo is gone. So replacing turbo on this thing, turbo replacement is kind of pain in the ass, because the turbo is at the back, located at the back of the engine, at the rear. So we'll have to remove this cover, engine cover, to have a look on it. So the turbo is here, sitting down there, and then see that at the very bottom. So it's kind of pain in the ass, really. And then one thing that we know, turbo bolts are very hard to get. Like mostly they even like seize and everything. See, you can see here start getting rusty, no? That's because of the long time period, like God, I don't know. I hope we can successfully remove this bolt here, but as you can see there, that sounds very bad. Bolt and nuts, see that? Oh God, help me. So we need to replace the turbo, guys, in the near future, but not now. Or actually we can start stripping, even if it's raining now. So it's raining, so we leave that at the moment because it's raining. So anyway, we put this inside, so we start stripping this by tomorrow after work. Strip this thing. What the heck is that? And one thing also that we notice is the battery. The battery is kind of corroded thing. This looks like the battery has a leaking in here because of this. Okay, the battery is bad actually, so the battery needs replacing, like so. And also we can see here coolant. There's no coolant in here. Let's check. Oh God, no coolant. So probably the water pump has a leaking. Since the radiator here is still intact, we cannot see that there is radiator leaking, or even the coolant pipe, no leaks. So it's up to the owner if he wants to replace the timing belt and water pump as well. But our main target here, the owner requests about replacing the turbo, so we will do it first and then we'll do the next. But we'll deal with the timing belt and the water pump soon. Actually, the owner of this is a businessman, buy and sell cars. So take a glance for the turbo here. So this is the wastegate, guys, and this is the vacuum thing here, wastegate, and this is the pump, vacuum that goes around here. So it's not electronic turbo, so it has a gasket also here, so that's good. And we will see the impeller if it is wobbly or not. So the impeller is still good, no wobbly, no play or whatever. And also here, yeah, still good. Turbo still good. So it's also 2010, as you can see here. And this is the oil feed pipe on the turbo. Oil feed pipe. Okay, that's nice. Okay guys, so like again, to determine if the turbo is gone, like when you start the engine, you will see a white smoke, blue smoke. So that means that the turbo is gone, and this time we're gonna have to replace the turbo on the 2010 Nissan Qasqhai. I feel like I start to stripping out the things here, but kind of raining actually, so forget about it. So as I said, we will inform the owner of this thing that the coolant is empty. Might be leak somewhere in that case, but normally if the coolant is empty, normally it has a leaking, and basically the very common is coolant leak is water pump. In this case it's water pump. So we'll see you in a bit, guys. We will strip the turbo and change it. It's kind of nightmare changing the turbo is at the back of the engine. So thank you, bye.